Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to restore student status in Canada. Losing your student status can be stressful, but there's a clear path to getting it back. It's crucial to act quickly, ideally within 90 days of your status expiring. We'll cover the essential steps and requirements to help you navigate this process smoothly. Remember, maintaining valid status is key to your academic journey here. To be eligible for restoration, you must apply within 90 days of your study permit expiring. It's also vital that you met all the conditions of your original study permit before it expired. You'll need to provide a clear and compelling explanation for why your status was lost. This application is a chance to explain your situation and demonstrate your commitment to your studies. The application process involves completing a specific form, which is the application to change conditions, extend my stay, or remain in Canada. You'll need to pay a restoration fee of $200, in addition to the study permit fee of $150. Gather all necessary supporting documents, such as your academic transcripts and proof of funds, to ensure a complete submission. After submitting your application, you must stop studying until a decision is made. If your restoration is approved, you'll receive a new study permit and can resume your studies. If it's unfortunately denied, you might need to leave the country and apply for a new study permit from outside. Always ensure you understand and follow all immigration regulations to maintain your legal status.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.